Now let's get to the fundamentals of creating an actual report. Before you begin, it is recommended that you lay out the report you want on paper. Have a good idea of how you want the finished product to look. All reports are initially created through GLFRRI. When you first enter this application, you are prompted for the report code. Before selecting code, enter O for options. This will bring up a subscreen with various available features. If you select W, then each time you enter a field, a subscreen will appear with valid options. You can also view the valid options in specific field by hitting the F1 key from that field. In the report code field, you may perform a lookup to see what reports are available. Assign new code to new reports that you wish to create. Description field. You should enter a description of the report you are creating. Auto accumulate hash of totals. This is best described as the number of internal calculators that will run simultaneously while you create your report. You may pull totals from these calculators at any point in your report and will have the option to clear the totals whenever necessary. Don't confuse these with the number of columns you will have. One accumulator will keep totals for each column at the same time. Number format field. This field identifies the number format to be used throughout the report. This number format signifies how you want the sign for credit debit notation displayed on numeric data. Within that field, you may access the valid options by hitting the F1 key. Page report with field indicates what your page width is. Margin with both sides field. You may establish predetermined margins for both sides and just one side. Round off point field. This field will determine the round off point for numeric data. Column field width. You may establish default column widths for the columns within your report. These widths may be overwritten in the report itself. Default data source field. Select here the default data source you desire in your report. Once again, you can overwrite columns in the actual report if so wanted. Print display option field. For most reports, you will use F automatic paging. Page length field. Enter the number of lines allowed per page. You should adjust by 1 inch to allow for fluctuation in printer margin. That is, page is 66 lines, enter 60. Report type field. MOM has a few predetermined report formats that you may choose to utilize. However, these report structures are limited in what you may do with them. Most of time, our clients will choose C to allow them the flexibility to design the report they want. Number of columns field. Enter the number of columns you will be working with. Don't count the text as a column if it is to be flush with the left margin. Begin counting with your first numeric column. Selected items field. You may choose to restrict the report data to specific funds or cost center. Once you have completed screen A, press enter key from the bottom. Now you will actually begin building your report. From screen B, you will first identify each column and what data it should contain. Then you will identify each line in your report.